Okay, darling, we're here. You're gonna pick what phone you want? Well, I already know what phone I want, Mummy. Oh, okay. Which one is it? The new iPhone 15? Okay, well, as long as it's in your budget. £30, remember? Oh, yeah, I'm sure it is. Okay, excuse me, can we get some help, please? Hiya, what can I do for you? Can we just get the iPhone 15, please? Yep, no problem. Is it for you? Oh, no, I don't do iPhones. It's for my daughter. Oh, I'm gonna be the coolest kid in school. Okay, well, here you go if you want to have a look at it. Wow, thank you. Is that her first phone then? It is, yeah. Everyone at her school's got a phone, so it's about time. Are you sure that's the one you want? Yeah, definitely. Okay, I'll just get it ready for you to pay. So you've got the iPhone 15 Pro. Yep, here's the £30. £30? This is £999. What? For a phone? Put it back, you're not getting that. What? But you said I could have it. Yeah, when I thought it was £30, you said it was cheap. Well, yeah, everyone's got an iPhone, so I thought they were cheap. Well, no, I'm sorry, you're not getting that. You're gonna have a flip out phone. Come on. That's not fair. Oh, don't make a scene in the Apple store now.